Hey everybody, we're in the Elite Eight. Anybody that knows me knows that I'm a big time Carolina fan. I miss the Jumbotron where I can jump up and cheer on my team. So this is going to be my Jumbotron for today. So we're in the Elite Eight. We play on Tuesday. We're going to the Final Four and we're taking it all the way. So, just wanted to let you see that, and I want you to see that I'm representing. Got my bracelets on. Yep. Got my colors on. Got my state necklace on. I'm raring to go. Go, Lady Gamecocks. All right. I'm doing some purses today, and I'm going to do, I think there's about 10 of them. But in the interest of full disclosure, I want to tell you that I haven't gotten the bags all conditioned and gussied up, but I will do that today. I just want to get them in there so they can be part of the buy one, get one free sale. So a lot of them are not stuffed, so you don't see them in their fullest form. But imagine, if you will, how they look when they're fully stuffed. So once again, there's about 10 of them, and I'm going to start off on this one. If you are a Carolina Gamecock fan, this is your bag. Of course, you can't take it to the arena because we have to use clear bags. I think that's still in effect. But you can take it somewhere else, but it has the little Gamecocks on it. It has a, I'm going to say a stiff kind of hand strap. It has a zipper across the top, and it has a couple of different compartments on the inside. So if you're not a Gamecock fan, just humor me. Tell some of your friends that are, that they can get this in my Poshmark closet. Next up, I have this little cutie. I'm not, authenticating or anything like that. I'm just going to say, you see what it says, right? This is a cutie as well. I'm going to open it up so you can see the inside. Now, this is the closure. It's like a little snap closure. It has an inside pocket, and it has a little place right here for your cell phone. It looks like it's kind of a dark khaki color is how I would describe it, with brown leather trim. It does have the feet on the bottom, and then it's just plain on the back. Next up is this one by Nine West. I think I showed this a couple of weeks ago, but it's worth repeating. Just want to show you that it has a strap on it. It's still available. It has openings here. This one is stuffed. It has the little puffy things in there. It has a side container right there. You can either use the strap or you can leave it like that. It has a cute little chain with the little lock on it. And this one's by Nine West. This too has the little feet on it. Here's the side dimension so you can see. You can get quite a bit in here, I think. Next up is this one that wants to fall down. This is, I don't really know the name of this one, but this is a cute little classic style. Look at the little handles. It has different patterns here, a little patent leather going on. It has an outside pocket, nothing on the back. And then it has plenty of compartments on the inside, and it has this funky little polka dot design going on. It has an inside right there, and then there's a middle. Should have opened this before I got on the camera. But it has a little middle section as well that you can zipper up. This is a cute little traditional, nicely made handbag. Next up is this little cutie. This is by Liz Claiborne. Now you can't put like a whole ton of stuff in here, but I thought this was a nice little cute little leather bag to carry if you just you didn't want to carry a whole bunch of stuff. And, it helps that it's my Carolina colors as well. So if, nobody buys this, this may end up in my closet. But until then, you can buy it on the Poshmark closet. And once again, the link to each of these items will be located in the description box below. This one is cute too. I should have stuffed it because it probably would have looked better. But this is a fossil bag. Once again, I'm not authenticating anything. I'm just telling you what it says. It's a little polka dot bag. It has a little side compartment. Let's see, what else does it have? It has a couple little compartments on the inside and then the little name. This is like a faux leather bag. It has adjustable straps, so you can use it as a crossbody. But this is a cutie too, fossil. This bag is by Agner. Again, just a classic style bag. I think it's crocodile. It's not really crossbody, but it is a shoulder type bag. This is a black, kind of like a patent leather, I would say. It has a little opening right here. No, that's not an opening. Look at that. It fooled me. So there's a little snap there. You got a little place there. You got plenty of compartments in this one. This one has a little stuffing in it, but it's by Etienne Agner. Available in my Poshmark closet. Next up is this one by 9 West. It's a very nice leather grain. 9 West. There's an opening here. Let's see how many other openings we have in here. You got opening here. You got the side zipper. There's a snap closure. Once again, it has a shoulder strap, not quite crossbody, but you can carry it on your shoulder or you can carry it, you know, in your hand. Next up is this one by, who's this by? This is by Max New York Signature. I should have stuffed this one so you could see it better, but like I told you, I want to get these on to the closet. But this one has nice styling to it. It's a like a patent leather kind of fabric. It has the back opening and it has leopard skin lining. I like the way the straps are attached. I think that's really cute. It has a lot of compartments. You have this one, then one on top of that one. Then over here, you have this, and then you have these two that go along with it. Once again, this is Max New York Signature. And I'll shine it all up for you, but I wanted to get it in today's premiere. This one here, I know I've shown probably in the last couple of weeks, but since it's a straw bag and since it's, you know, time to stop thinking about spring and summer, I wanted to show it again. This one has a blue lining on the inside, and it also has a little pocket there. This is by Draper James. Let me show you. The bottom expands, so it's a little bit wider than what it would appear. This handkerchief thing, you can take this off and put another one on there to coordinate with your outfit. It has a nicely made handle, so this can be a shoulder bag, or you can, of course, just carry it as a regular handbag. But I thought this was cute, and I thought it bared being seen again. A lot of these bags are more traditional, like leather type bags, but I think, like, I don't know. I know, of course, colors, you know, are spring and summer, but for me, any bag that I carry is good year round. I don't know about you, but I'm going to show, I'm not going to hold back on bags that people may think are winter bags, because who knows? It may not be a winter bag to you. It's just a bag. Now, this one, again, you can see, I don't know if you can see till I show you, but this is also a fossil bag as well. Once again, no authentication is coming from me. I'm telling you what the bag says. Looks pretty nice to me though. But it has the outside, has the inside, has this little zipper part right there. It has the 2 spots for your cell phone or whatever you need to get to quickly. And then there's another opening on this side. This one too is kind of an extended straps, but you can carry it, of course, any way you want. And then, of course, there's the zipper that goes right across the top of it. So I think this is a real cutie as well. Nice soft leather too. All right, let me step over here and see what else I got. Okay, this one is this is genuine leather. This is a real vintage bag. Now this is a crossbody and it's by Toni, T-O-N-I. I love this bag. It's really cute. The leather is absolutely perfect. Let me see what else I can tell you. So there's two zippers on the top. You open this one, you can put stuff in there. You open this one, you can put stuff in there, and you can also stick stuff in this little zipper part. So you see the name Toni Genuine Leather. And this one comes with a bonus. There is a wallet in here. Pretty basic, but it's a cute little plaid wallet that you can use. I put that in there with that because I just thought, you know, it needed something extra. So here's the openings. See that? You can put tons of stuff in there as well. Like I said, this is a crossbody if you want it to be, or it doesn't have to be. It can just be a regular, you know, you can hold it any way you want to. As you can see, they're tied on. I don't know that they ever were attached, but once again, it's vintage. So vintage means it's been around for a while. But this is a really cute bag, and I think you would like this. The leather is just, I don't think that they do it like that anymore. Let's see what else I got over here. All right, well, this one here I showed you a couple of weeks ago, but again, this is so cute. I think it needs to be seen. Just in case you missed it, I'm showing it again. This bag is by Charming Charlie. This has kind of the boho hippie type feel to it, which is why I like it so much. This is the inside. It has a lot of compartments for you. It has the little signature Charming Charlie decal. It has pockets right here that you can see. And best of all, it has this funky fringe on it. So this thing is just, this is popping. And then I like the little gold detail around the side of it. So again, we still have the buy one, get one free. Oh wait, I got some more in here. This one I showed before too, but I needed to show it to you again. This is in the buy one, get one free sale. This is by World Market. I didn't even know they made purses. It's kind of like a bucket style. It's suede. You can carry it, you know, by these little handles. But it looks like a little sack. Let me open it so you can see what's inside. So inside this one, it's just one big opening. There's no little side pockets or anything like that, but that's okay because it's so cute. I think I would probably carry it by the little handles. Next up is this vintage bag. Now this is really cute. It feels like kind of a canvas, if you will. Look at the inside of it. It's cute. It's Danny K by Danny K Beverly Hills. You can see it on the little zipper right there. But this is a nice medium-sized bag, I would say. It does have a little zipper on the inside, so if you want to put something in there. And then it has this adjustable strap, so you can carry it like this, or you can adjust it to make it a crossbody. It's cute, cute, cute. And then it has the outside zipper as well, with some little compartments in there. It's kind of a, I'm going to say it's like an off-white with black flower details. This again is a vintage bag, Danny K Beverly Hills. That's available in the closet. And then finally, this is kind of along the lines of the brown one I showed you. This one is by Anne Klein. All right, so it has the straps, but it also has this funky little, see that little insignia thing that comes along with it? And it has a polka dot lining. It has another inside pocket right there. And then it also has this middle inside pocket. Snap closure. Now, I did notice something too that I need to point out to you. Do you see the strap? It's a little bit worn, I guess I would say, but I'll fix that up for you too. I'm not saying that you won't see that, but I'm gonna make it look as nice as I possibly can because, you know, that's what we do. But this is Anne Klein, and I think it's black. I kind of thought it was navy, but now I'm thinking that it's black. But this has the feet on it. See that? And it's that crocodile styling. But this is a nice classic bag. I really like this. And, oh, I got one more. Along the line of classic, this is like the softest leather you ever could find, I think. This is, I forget what you got, maybe hobo type bag, I'm not sure. And this is by Francisco Cobiasa. So some of you may be familiar with him, I'm not. But I do love this bag. It has the inside section. It has, what else can I show you? Oh, this funky little snap closure. Nice little detail. Look at the sides of it. So you can see that it will expand. Both sides. No feet on this one, but this one doesn't need any feet. This is really cute. This is a soft butter leather styling. All of these items will be in my Posh closet. Please take advantage of the sale. You buy one item and you get another item for free. So you can buy a, you know, $20 item. You can get a $19 item for free. It goes through Wednesday. I want all of my bargain babes to take advantage of it. So get on over to my closet, subscribe, share, and let's get this thing going. Thank you for watching. Have a pleasant evening.